Learn to be a gardener. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and enriching job option for children and teenagers. Gardening. Let's explore how this can be more than just a hobby, but a stepping stone into a rewarding career. Firstly, what does a gardener do? A gardener is someone who nurtures and cares for plants. From designing landscapes to planting flowers and maintaining gardens, this job is all about bringing greenery to life. To start gardening, you'll need basic tools like gloves, shovels, and watering cans. But it's not just about tools. Learning is key. Many start with simple online tutorials or community workshops to understand the basics of plant care and garden design. Here's a fun fact. Did you know grown-up gardeners can earn about $23 per hour? That's a lot of treasure. While you might not earn that much just yet, helping in gardens at home or in your neighborhood can be like a mini job. You could save up for something special. Where to find gardening jobs? Start in your neighborhood. Offer to help in local gardens or approach community centers. Sometimes, local nurseries also offer opportunities for young enthusiasts to learn and earn. Gardening is not just about getting your hands dirty. It's about growth, creativity, and connecting with nature. It's a wonderful way for young people to start a journey that's both personally fulfilling and beneficial to our environment. Catch you later!